All right, so you've got your day scheduled that you're going to get your car repaired with us. What you need to do is drop it off and wait. Yes, I said wait, because here's how the system works with insurance companies, and it's all insurance companies, and we have no control. We follow their rules on this. You drop the car off, we notify the insurance company that the vehicle is in the shop. I send over any paperwork I need to send over to them, and then we wait. Usually it takes about 48 hours, but it can get worse during a hailstorm. And that's when the insurance company gets back with us and approves any estimates and repairs, and we can move forward. Now, something you want to keep in mind is that you cannot pre-schedule with insurance companies. Meaning you can't tell an insurance company the car is going to be dropped off on this day and then they put it on their calendar. I think they do that because they probably showed up and people's cars weren't there and they got tired of that. So once the vehicle is in the shop, you can do that. Now, that doesn't mean that you don't want to let your local agent know, because sometimes they can make that actually happen, but I don't want to promise because it is rare. So your car will be dropped off, we'll notify them that they're here, and the clock starts ticking that you're on the list for them to come and look at it. They may come in person. They used to always come in person to look at it, but with COVID, they stopped doing it. But now that we're a year into COVID, they've started showing up again. So we'll see how that goes this year. We're not sure, but just plan on about 48 hours, a minimum of 2 to 3 days for the insurance company to approve the estimate.